Starlings can perform mesmerizing aerial dances called murmurations, where thousands of birds move as one, creating breathtaking patterns in the sky that are both art and science. These synchronized swirls aren't just for show, they're a survival strategy, confusing predators and ensuring safety in numbers. Each starling follows simple rules, like maintaining distance from its neighbors and matching their speed, resulting in these complex, fluid formations. Scientists are fascinated by how these birds communicate and coordinate without a leader, using rapid response times to environmental cues. Watching a murmuration is like witnessing a living, breathing organism in motion, a testament to the power of collective behavior in the animal kingdom. This natural wonder challenges our understanding of group dynamics, showing us how harmony and chaos can coexist in nature's grand ballet.